Welcome to week 8. This week, we're focusing on managing daily life while living with chronic pain. Dealing with pain on a daily basis can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming. Here are some common challenges. Fatigue. Chronic pain often leads to exhaustion, making it difficult to find the energy for everyday activities. Mobility issues. Pain can limit your ability to move freely, making tasks like walking, cooking, or cleaning more challenging. Concentration problems. The constant discomfort can affect your focus and mental clarity, making it hard to concentrate on work or hobbies. Sleep disturbances. Pain can interfere with your ability to get restful sleep, leading to further fatigue and difficulty managing pain. Understanding these challenges is the first step to finding strategies that can help you navigate daily life more easily. Disclaimer: this post is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider for any health concerns you may have. If you found this post helpful, please click the like button and subscribe for more. Tomorrow we'll explore tips for conserving energy and managing fatigue.